In Pune, Mahatma Phule was started first school for girls in 1848. The first Indian railway train from Mumbai to Thane was started in 1853. Dr. Ambedkar decided to burn Manusmriti at Mahad. The words "socialist" and "secular" were incorporated in the Preamble of the Indian Constitution through which constitutional amendment? 42nd. A protein molecule is made up of amino acids. Who established the Scheduled Caste Federation? Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Dash are known as the powerhouses of the cells. Mitochondria. Which of the following is not a place of Ashtavinayaka? Ganapati Pule. Dash is the chairperson of the Planning Commission of India. Prime Minister. In which district National Defence Academy is located? Pune. Dash wrote poetry under the pen name of Govindagraj. R. G. Gadkari. Who was the first editor of the newspaper Kesari? Gopal Ganesh Agarkar. Where did Lala Hardayal established the Gadar organization? America or Canada? Madam Kama raised the question of India's independence at the International Socialization Conference held at Stuttgart in Germany. Which was the main objective of the second five-year plan? Industrialization. The state of Dash is the largest producer of rubber in India. Kerala. What is the original name of Rajarshi Shahu Maharaj? Yashwantrao. What is the provision in India Constitution about citizenship? A single citizenship. Agarkar was under the influence of Western writer Spencer, who advises the governor to dissolve the legislative assembly. Chief Minister. Who appoints the judges of High Court? President. The Bhakra Nangal Dam has been constructed on the river Satluj. In which district of Maharashtra coal is found? Chandrapur. Who is electing Sarpanch? Member of Gram Panchayat. Brahmos is the name of missile. Who is known as Martin Luther of Maharashtra? Mahatma Phule. 1 HP is equal 746 watt. Degradation of dash in food is called putrefaction. Proteins. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar with his followers embraced the Buddhism at Nagpur. Rajarshi Shahu Maharaj was the president of Non-Brahmin Social Conference in 1920. Hubli.